Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever blocked someone on Snapchat and are ready to make amends, you're in the right spot. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to unblock someone on Snapchat in 2025. Whether it's a friend, family member, or an old acquaintance, unblocking is straightforward, but always remember to think twice before reconnecting. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Snapchat frequently rolls out updates, and using an outdated app might make things a bit tricky. Once you're good to go, open the Snapchat app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Step 1. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This is usually your Bitmoji or avatar. From there, scroll down and hit the gear icon for settings. Step 2. In the settings menu, look for the Privacy or Account Actions section. This is where you'll find blocked users, or something similar. Snapchat's interface might vary slightly based on your device and the 2025 updates. Step 3. Tap on Blocked Users. You'll see a list of people you've blocked. Find the person you want to unblock and tap on their name. Step 4. You'll see an Unblock button. Go ahead and tap it. Snapchat might ask for a confirmation, so just follow the prompts to confirm. Once that's done, the person is unblocked. After unblocking, they might not automatically be your friend again, so you could need to send a friend request if that's what you want. Keep in mind, this means they can now see your stories and send you snaps, so use this feature responsibly to avoid any drama. And there you have it. That's how you unblock someone on Snapchat in 2025. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in your social connections. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any other Snapchat questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.